guys.
Is for monkey. Nice. M is for mushroom. Wow. Wow. Great. M is for moon. Good one. Great. Great. M is for monster and for man. M. Ow. Bye-bye. N is for nut. N. Well done. N is for notebook. Wow. Good one. Great. N is for nose. Well done. Smart. Good one. N is for night and for nest. N job. Bye-bye. N is for octopus. O. Wow. O is for owl. Great. Well done. Smart. O is for ostrich. Good job. Well done. Smart. O is for omelet and for orange. O. Good one. Bye-bye. O. Penguin. P. Wow. P is for peach. Nice. Nice. Wow. P is for pencil. Good job. Wow. Wow. P is for pig and for potato. P. Wait. Bye-bye.